Today we're going to go over my top accessories that you can get for the DJI Action Camera or the Gro Pro Action cameras that are under $12, and you can get these on AliExpress. I'll provide links to all these accessories in the description below. The first accessory I want to talk about are these magnetic fork adapters for the DJI Action cameras. This works on the 3, 4, or 5 DJI Action cameras. And what they do is they are a quick release for your DJI Action camera. I have the Action 4 camera right here, and it snaps on really quickly. You can put this other side onto whatever kind of mount you want. This will work for most action cameras like GoPro or DJI cameras. And then you squeeze these to release it. It also works on the side. It's always great to have extra ones of these so you can quick release on whatever accessory that you have. So I have 2 of these. You can see it goes here and here. And believe it or not, I got this 2-pack for $5.69 on AliExpress. This comes out to be $2.85 for each of these. So this is a great deal. If you actually buy the DJI branded ones, they're $20 each for these. Even if you don't buy a DJI branded one, the off-brand ones go for about $16 or $17 for a 2-pack. So save yourself some money and get these on AliExpress for $2.50 each. It's a great deal. These are very well built and they are magnetic. Once again, you can see the force that it's like snapping onto this. The second item I want to talk about is this magnetic foldable quick release. So it's almost similar to the other ones, but this is what just came out for the Action 5 cameras. You see this one is called Sunny Life. And what this is it's still a magnetic quick release. And it does have the adapter for your other action devices like GoPro or DJI. But then these also folds down and gives me a mount for a tripod. So I can stick a tripod on here. And if I don't want to stick it on a tripod, I can release it, put these down, and use these adapters for whatever Action Pro adapter that I have. So this is an awesome thing to carry around if you need to mount to a tripod or you need to mount on your DJI or Action camera accessories. I got this on AliExpress for $5.48 total. This is $5.48 total shipped to me. And all the prices I give are the total after taxes and being shipped to me. So as you can see, $5.48 for this is pretty cheap. In contrast, this same product on Amazon is $16, whereas I got this for $5 on AliExpress. I can't even find the legit DJI branded one, and if the regular one is $19, you can only imagine how expensive this is gonna be for a legit DJI foldable magnetic mount. So do yourself a favor and get this on AliExpress. I'll add links to the description below. The next thing I want to talk about is this extension rod. This is pretty much a selfie stick for your Action camera. It extends to about 59 inches or 150 centimeters, and I'll extend it right here for you. There's a lock on it, so once you turn it, it doesn't go back in. The great thing about this is you can attach this onto your DJI. I'm going to use this magnetic mount that's foldable that has a tripod mount. And now I can attach my selfie stick onto it. And you can extend it. Look how far this is reaching. 59 inches to be exact. And then I can pull it back. And I'm going to show you a cool trick you can do with this, but first we're going to need to get to the next item. But I just wanted to say that this is probably the most expensive item on my list. This selfie stick goes for $12.34 total shipped, and this is for the 150 centimeter one. In contrast, I got one on Amazon that's virtually the same build. It is almost the same looking thing as this, and it feels the same. And the one that I got on Amazon was $24 before taxes. So this is almost 2 times cheaper than the one I got on Amazon. The cool thing is it has a tripod thread on the top that is male, and it has a tripod mount on the bottom that is female. So you can extend this, keep adding selfie sticks, and extend this or other peripherals to add on to this that uses a tripod male mount. And I'm going to show you the trick that I'm talking about right now. So the last thing on my list is this mini tripod. This is number 4 of cool accessories you can get under $12. You see it folds to be compact and then it folds out. So this is the cool thing that you can do with it. You can attach it to your selfie stick. And then on the other side, I attach my camera. and then bam, you have a tripod for your action camera that is very compact. And not only is it compact, it can extend more because the selfie stick is set to the minimum. You can extend this even higher and have different angles for your videos. There you see I have my action camera that is extended. I have to note that it's a little dangerous because it's very wobbly and not stable when you're using it like this. So be careful when you're using like this, but I just wanted you to know that this is an option when you are using the DJI Action cameras or GoPros. So I got a 2-pack of these for $5.87. So that comes out to $2.94 for each, so almost $3 for each of these. But if you get the DJI branded one, the official one that's like this size, it's $19 each. Now I do have to say that this build is not as nice as the DJI one. It's a little plastic looking. If there's a lot of weight on it, it's kind of bendy. It's not super solid, but for me it works and it does what it needs to do. I'm not using this for any heavy duty shots where like they're professional shots or anything like that. This is for like really quick setups and this works perfectly for me. So if you want a tripod like this, you can get it on AliExpress for $2.94 each. As with everything that I have featured in this video, I'll add links to those products in the description below. And it's a great way not to break the bank when you're getting these accessories, because sometimes you just need a lot of these accessories to be able to do what you need to do. And the prices can really add up in the end. I'm actually using this extender and a tripod on my DJI Pocket 3 as we are speaking to record this. So not only does it work for action cameras, it does work for other cameras as well, including the DJI Pocket 3. All right, I'll keep you up to date with any other deals that I see regarding DJI Action cameras or GoPro cameras. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you on the next one.